Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Amarok. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 224 PS V6 3-litre turbo diesel engine. It's also a 4-motion and it also has an automatic gearbox. This Amarok is a 67 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has been through its 112 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the Amarok, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a quick walk around the vehicle. To the front of the Amarok, you will notice Xenon headlights with LED daytime running headlights. As you'll also notice, fitted with a V6 badge in the chrome grille. It's also fitted with front fog lights and front parking sensors. This Amarok is fitted with a chrome pack, which you will notice walking around the vehicle. Moving around the truck, you will notice that this truck is fitted with 19-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. It's also fitted with a full set of mud flaps. Also on both sides, you'll notice side styling bars with steps. It's also fitted with heated mirrors. The mirror caps and door handles are also painted in body colour. Moving away from the Amarok, you will notice that the back windows are tinted. And to the back of the cab, you will notice rear styling bars. I've now opened the rear door so we can see the rear seats. As you can see, the seats are in superb condition. It's also fitted with Isofix anchorage points on the two outer seats for the correct child seat. Here we have some handy cup holders. Moving to the back of the cab, you'll notice a heated rear screen for added vision for the driver. We are now at the back of the Amarok. As you can see, to the back of the Amarok, it's fitted with a chrome rear bumper with step. This Amarok is also fitted with a tow bar, as you can see. The rear bumper is also fitted with reverse parking sensors. The rear tail lights on the Amarok are standard. I've now opened the back of the Amarok. As you can see, the load area is in superb condition. It's also fitted with load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. This Amarok is fitted with heavy duty suspension. This Amarok is fitted with a load cover to protect your valuables in the back of the load area. As you can see, it locks into certain places on the way back. This load cover is made by Roll and Lock. This Amarok is painted in Starlight blue. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches. In both doors, you'll notice some handy storage. Across the dash in the centre, you'll notice some more handy storage and a 12-volt socket. This Amarok is fitted with 5 comfortable seats in Vienna leather. All the seats are in superb condition. In the centre of the 2 front seats, you'll notice a handy armrest for added comfort for your passenger and your driver. I've now finished my 360 walk around the Amarok. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you'll notice mirror and electric window controls. This Amarok is fitted with auto headlights. To this side of the steering wheel, you'll notice media controls. On this side of the steering wheel, you'll notice volume control. This Amarok has covered 30,528 miles. This Amarok is also fitted with cruise control. And now for a quick look at the media screen. This Amarok is fitted with a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system with satellite navigation. As you can see, it's easy to use, just pinch your fingers across the screen. You can also pull the screen across to find your ideal location. This system is fitted with the 3 major radio frequencies, DAB, FM and AM radio. This system is fitted with App Connect. This is ideal for using your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It also has a handy system called MirrorLink. This is ideal for streaming your most popular apps on your smartphone, e.g. music or maps. I'm now popping the vehicle into reverse. As you can see, this Amarok is fitted with a reverse camera. If I press the picture, you will notice it's fitted with Park Pilot technology for your front and rear parking sensors. I'm now going to move away from the media screen. This Amarok is fitted with dual climate control, so the passenger can have a high setting and the driver can have a low setting. The top set of buttons are for changing the direction of the heat. This switch here allows you to change the fan speed. Using this switch, you can see you can change the heat settings. This Amarok is also fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. If you press the sync button, as you can see, both sides of the cab will be at the same temperature. This Amarok is also fitted with two 12-volt sockets. It's also fitted with heated front seats. They're easy to use. Just repress the switch and it will change the heat temperature. Now for a quick recap over the video. Here we have a Volkswagen Amarok. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 224 PS V6 3-litre turbo diesel engine. It's also an automatic and it's also a 4Motion. If you would like any more information on this used 67 plate Amarok, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the Amarok. The salesperson will also be able to help you with finance options. He'll also be able to help you book a test drive if needed. And thank you for watching.